All right, welcome to LearnWire. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on ReMasterMedia. This is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. You can pick it up for $69. Currently has 122 reviews and 5 tacos, so it definitely is getting some good feedback and some good reviews. What you're able to do with this is upload any video or audio file to have it quickly and professionally optimized. So you guys know the importance of audio. First, you want to make sure you have a high quality microphone. I wouldn't recommend anything less than $100 for a microphone if you're doing YouTube videos or recording music or podcasts. It starts at $100 and goes up from there. Between $100 and $300, you can get a really good high quality USB microphone. Now, I don't really know what this is, euphonic, but it's an alternative to that. You can select from different enhancement profiles and noise canceling options to get the perfect sound you're looking for. We'll check that out to see what kind of enhancements you're able to, because I've used other audio master kind of AI masters programs that, you can take your file and it does a pretty good job, but it doesn't give you control over if, maybe if the audio ends up being too deep sounding or too crisp sounding, and you're not going for that, then maybe you want to have a little bit of control under settings. So we'll look at that. That's actually a good thing if it does allow you to have some control. It's best for podcasters, musicians, content creators, and obviously if you want professionally produced audio in a snap. So audio is important, and it's a lot of professional content creators would say that audio is even more important than the visuals or the video. So we're going to just scroll down here, and I want to look at what the lifetime deal looks like. So it looks like you can get 3 hours per month. So if you're doing, let's say a 12, I'm just going to kind of do an example. If you're doing a 12-minute YouTube video, for example, and you're doing four per week, 4, 8, 12, 16. So it would be 12 times 16 would be 192 minutes divided by an hour, right? 60 minutes. So you'd be at 3.2. So you could pretty much do a 12-minute video and do about 15 videos per month. You can just kind of go from there and work it out. So that's a pretty good deal. If you need to double that, you just don't want to worry about it, and you really do, I would recommend going out and trying the tool out first. And then if it's something that you're like blown away with and it's something that you think you'll use on for every video, then you probably would want to go in at the double, is what it's looking like. You'd probably want to not limit yourself over here and just go with the double. And then that would probably cover you for any of you solopreneurs out there. That would be enough. Okay. So let's go and we'll just jump into the tool. So I've already logged in. We're in ReMasterMedia right here. It's going to give me some free credits right now to try it out. I'm not really sure why it says my current credit is 5 credits. 1 credit equals 1 minute of ReMasterMedia. But then I get 2 credits over here. So I'm not really sure what the 5 credits and then 2 credits right here means, but we're going to go and check this out. So let's see here. And then this is where you can go and you can actually sign up for monthly credits. But you may as well get the lifetime deal while it's available. I went over here to one of my sites, bigproductstore.com. It's a place where you can get PLR, private label rights products. And I went ahead and downloaded this audio over here, and I'm going to go ahead and let you guys sample it real quick. If I go over to the audio and just double click, first of all, how long is this? It is, that's 51 minutes long. I don't want to do 51 minutes, so I'll have to trim this real quick, but let's go check it out real quick. It has pretty low quality. So I've turned that up all the way. I'll turn the volume up to here on 41 and we'll leave it there. And you can see that the audio recording is live and it's not good audio quality. Okay, so almost like he's recording it on a phone or something like that, right? So really bad audio. Let's see what we can do with this remastered audio, but I'm going to go and trim this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So I found a free audio trimmer. It worked out really good. So we trimmed it to just under a minute long. Let's go back into ReMasterMedia and let's go and see how we can upload this real quick. So click on New Media over here, Add Files. Please make sure your audio levels are less than 12 decibels. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen. I don't know what The settings were on the file upload that I just created. So we're going to select our media over here. I'm going to go to downloads and grab that file, and it's going to upload that 57-second video. So here's what we are presented with on the screen. You can see that it does give us those customization options, which I really like. So we're going to master right here. This says the RM Pro plugin profile. It's in beta. Great for music tracks, adds more overall definition, does not increase overall loudness. So it's a good alternative to max presence. So we can come over here. Power Punch is great for music tracks, adds more bass. And then the level boost is dynamic adjustments. Overall audio level goes up. Max presence, enhancement for voice and music. So it's going to be voice focus right here is what we're going to want. More articulation, power, and definition for voice. So we're definitely going to want to select that. Okay. And then a deep detail enhancement for music and voiceover. So it is a voiceover. So let's just go ahead and select that as well. And this, right, a smooth boost, a slight EQ enhancement for music and voiceover. So you know what, we may as well crystal clarity. And that's great for voice sound, adds more overall definition, does not increase overall balance, clarity. Okay. Let's select all these. Balanced clarity. They all look really great. Brings out vocals more and limits low end. Okay. Cause the audio file, remember the audio file that we uploaded is really, really bad. It's poor. And so we're going to need all this done. Balanced depth. Let's see right here. Adds more overall definition, does not increase. Okay. So it's a master shine and max presence, mix focus and power with stereo imaging. We don't really need that. So pretty cool stuff. Specialized mastering profiles for hip. So if you're doing hip hop, then you can actually select this, and these are specific to rap and hip hop type music tracks. We'll go ahead and leave that alone because the mastering profiles for podcasts and just your overall ones are going to be this first option up here. Mastering for specific media, we have Audible ACX. That is amazing. Optimization, it's going to, so, oh my goodness, this is awesome. I've actually published some audiobooks on Audible, and I had to outsource, even though I professionally recorded my audiobooks. I still, there's exact specifications that Audible requires in order to upload audio tracks. And so the fact that they have these settings over here, that is awesome. That's something that you could, the tool pays for itself. You could go in and you could actually master these tracks and sell these services on places like Upwork or Fiverr or what have you, build your own website, and you could actually master these files with this tool. So that's really cool. This right here actually almost does it for me. Right there, just seeing that it does the Audible ACX. Really cool. TV, radio, and then audio cleaning used before final remastering. You can also use this over here for cleaning up as well. So here we go. We're going to select all those except for this max presence over here. I don't know. I guess if you have to, may as well just put mark that one as well. Okay, so we have all those marked, and then we're going to come over here, select the time section for preview, move the slider to select the time for the preview. We'll just do 25 seconds maybe, and that's fine. And then did we add the file in? Yeah, we already added the file. Okay, so we already have the file uploaded, so all we need to do now is create previews. We're going to click the create previews button right there, and it's going to go out and it's going to do its thing. For 13 previews done, here we go. Okay, so I'm wondering why it has the 13 previews. That's interesting. Okay, so all right. So what it means is each one of these is going to be a certain remix, right? So it's actually not doing all those things at once. It's each one of these is a specific algorithm to remaster your audio. So let's look at the previews real quick. I'm going to push the first one. Can barely hear it. Okay, so let's go to Power Punch.
Not by opting in for a free gig.
So it is louder, and you can see the loudness right here does get louder with Power Punch. So that's good. Let's go to Master Shine. Level Boost, that's so far going to be the best one so far.
Comes onto your list, not by opting in, not by just giving you their name and email address.
So far, level boost for this audio track is going to absolutely be very useful. As you can see, if we go to the original, look at the lines over here you can barely hear the track. Then we go to level boost and look at the audio waves go way up, and we can hear it a lot more. So really, really cool stuff. Max presence
Is a subscriber.
It's very close to level boost. Okay, so I'm going to go through the rest of them.
I'm just giving you their name and email address, but by buying the buyer lead is a subscriber or lead.
So this one has a little bit too much bass for my liking.
Comes onto your
It's a little too noisy and loud.
list, not a free gimme. By just giving you their name and email address.
That one's good.
But by buying their way.
Voice focus is good as well.
So here's the background. If we go all the way back to building our list, and the purpose in starting with the list.
Balance depth, no. Crystal clarity. Okay, so you can see out of the 13 over here, there's going to be this balanced clarity one, the max presence 1 and 2, level boost and voice. Out of all these ones, level boost and voice focus were the ones that I think were the best for this audio track. We can go back to the original, and it's just great that you have all these. You may as well do all the previews and then choose which one you like. But one more comparison, and then we're going to go to voice focus.
You can use their name and email address.
That's perfect. So, and then what you would do is you could just add to cart. And since I would be able to get this one if I wanted to. You would just, let's see, push add to cart. And then we just go over here, and then we would be able to get it by checking out. And then it's going to have a watermark since this is free, and it would take 1 credit. So that's that's an audio track. It's going to work similar for a video as well. If I go to how it works, we can come through here, and there is a sample right there. I want to go down to right over here. You can get these different, you can also get some of these examples over here. So if I click right here, you're going to see the audio waves right there, right? The audio waves are going to just get a lot better. So if I push play right here on the original,
CRM software embedded in Microsoft Outlook.
And then here's the remastered.
Into a full-fledged CRM system and saves
you time and efforts when managing clients, sales, projects, and marketing campaigns.
Once installed, the system will share emails, tasks, contacts, documents, deals, or...
So it is doing a really good job with remastering audio. If you do audiobooks, this would be a perfect software for you. If you do podcasts, this would also be perfect. And then if you do voiceovers, which I used to do voiceovers as well when I got started making money online and building a business online, voiceovers was what I started with. And I did have to master my audio files. So this is a very useful tool if you live in the world of audio or you're making videos. So that's it for this review. I think it's a really great product. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. Right now they have the lifetime deal for starting at $69. It depends on how much you're going to use the tool. If this is your main business and you're going to be an agency and outsource, or you're going to charge clients, you could actually stack. How many codes can you stack over here? You can stack up to 10 codes. That's incredible. So you could stack 10 codes and pay $690 and have 30 hours of audio per month, which is just insane. It's a good deal. So go pick this up and go ahead and like the video and subscribe so you don't miss out on more great content, more great reviews like this. Till next time, take care.